Joanna Simpson here at RiskMines International in Barcelona. Joining me now is Martim Rocha, Director and Global Head of Risk Banking Solutions, Risk Research and Quantitative Solutions at SAS Institute. Thank you very much for joining me today.
Thank you.
And just tell me a little bit about how you're finding being here at RiskMines International.
Well, actually, it's been a quite nice experience. Obviously, we were all eager to have face-to-face meetings after the recent pandemic, but also because we are living an interesting moment in terms of the world change and all the recent events. So obviously, it is quite interesting to be here and to share ideas with the other practitioners of risk management.
And what are you most looking forward to?
Well, first of all, to learn, to understand where the market is going, where what is happening to financial services. There's a lot of opinions around how it will evolve. Recent years with low interest rates were questioning the possibility of financial service staying profitable, right? So obviously now the world changed again. And so, I definitely try to learn how to best serve the industry.
And SAS interacts on a daily basis with financial institutions. How do you see the market reacting to the adverse economic conditions that we'll be facing?
Well, obviously, the one thing that I think we learned from the last 2-3 years is that the market can change radically very quickly, right? So we came from a low interest environment to now going up, and the central banks are pretty much all around the world moving the interest rates up. Inflation is also going up, so they're definitely a completely new environment for financial service to deal with. I think one thing that I've seen in some of the sessions already is the need to be agile, to be resilient. So to be able to adapt quickly, and to be also strong enough to stay on course. So I think it's really challenging, but on the other hand, could be very good for some, maybe not to all.
And SAS has recently acquired the risk management provider Kamakura Corporation. Mm-hmm. Why this particular acquisition, and how is SAS taking value from it?
Well, we definitely, we've been working on and providing solutions to risk management for almost 30 years now. And now we will, and we are, unquestionably the leaders on the credit risk side in terms of solutions. And we have also many references on some of the other areas of risk management. But we really wanted to make the step forward and to be sure that we had the most complete and the ability not just to have the completeness of the offering, but also to have the ability to have it integrated so it could provide value more easily. So Kamakura is a well-respected company in the market, has a very similar culture to SAS, and it was also important to take into consideration. And I think it will complement us on areas of ALM, liquidity risk management, market risk, so areas where we were, but not at the level we want to be.
And what else is SAS doing as a leading provider of risk management solutions?
Well, there are two layers on that topic. One is obviously the technology itself, meaning technology is changing. The pandemic was a big push for companies to move into cloud. The trend was already there, but obviously the pandemic accelerated that trend. So definitely on the technology side, we are modernizing our solutions, making sure that we also have the solutions ready in the new environments, the cloud, the open source, the ability to interact with other solutions, so on and so forth. But also in the business side, as I was pointing out, with the Kamakura acquisition, we also want to evolve our solutions in the credit risk side, which is our, let's say, route, also to be on the next level. One of the key aspects, and it was already mentioned as well in this conference, is that people need to simulate their business more and more. The ability to simulate, to do what-if analysis, to do scenario planning, etc. And obviously, we think that we can do that. We can do that very well. now stronger with the Kamakura acquisition.
Martim Rocha, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure to be here.